Hey everyone! Welcome back to my vlog. Today, sasali kami sa Run for Polio with my family and excited na kami to support this cause at magsaya together. Hey Ma! Yan.
Good afternoon,
Yes.
everybody!
So,
Nasa Quirino Grandstand kami.
ipapakita naman sa inyo lahat ng mga ganap for today's video, guys. Okay? Let's go!
Hi everybody! Good afternoon! Nandito kami ngayon sa Quirino Grandstand dahil ang apo ko na nag-aaral sa Amado P. Hernandez Elementary School, meron silang pan-run. Ang lola ayaw patalo, sasali! Let's go!
Okay?
Challenge, palusot.
Tignan natin kung kakasya tayo.
Okay, challenge. Pumayat ka na talaga. Hala, hindi naipit. Oh, yun na. Ako naman.
Ikaw naman, please. Bibigyan. Ano kasha?
Kasyang-kasya.
Si Mama, pwede mo kapasok.
Bakit? Grabe ka naman.
Mag-i-stretching tayo dyan na bago tayo magtakbo. Dali, ihina muna tayo. Game, kayahin niyo ako stretching.
Stretching, ano?
Stretching muna tayo. Diyan kayo sa likod. Muna to.
Check A. Check.
Tayo lang tao.
Hayaan mo na.
Kasi nga doon doon.
Ramon Magsaysay High School, Intermediate School, and Aurora A. Quezon Elementary School.
Ang bibilis! Masas si na mama.
Dala lang nagsibibidyo's na kami. Pumunta mo.
Okay, we are about to start the 5-kilometer runners. Okay, clear your area, please. A little collaboration guys. Clear your area. And we will now start the 5-kilometer runners. Okay, what's up to you?
Oo, mama.
And that's it for my vlog for today, guys. Thank you for joining with me. Thank you for watching, guys. And if you like this video, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.